Is your PS3 refusing to eject a disk and now you're stuck staring at it like, what now? Don't panic. I've got you covered with safe, quick fixes that actually work. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let's get that disk out safely without damaging your console. So, why does this even happen? Most of the time, it's a power glitch, a stuck loading mechanism, or dust messing with the rollers inside. The PS3 drive is sensitive, and when it loses proper alignment, it just refuses to spit the disk out. Alright, let's fix it. Step 1. Try the basic force eject reset. Turn off your PS3 completely, not rest mode, fully off. Now press and hold the eject button. While holding it, flip the power switch on the back if your model has one, or plug it back in. Keep holding eject for about 10 seconds. In many cases, the system will force eject the disk during startup. Step 2, use the power button recovery trick. Turn off the PS3 again, now press and hold the power button. You'll hear one beep, then another. Keep holding until you hear a quick double beep. Release immediately. This resets the system startup sequence and sometimes triggers the drive to release the disk. Step 3, try the tilt method carefully. Turn off and unplug the PS3. Hold it at a slight angle about 30 degrees with the disk slot facing downward. Now turn it on and press eject. Gravity can help the rollers release the disk. Don't shake it aggressively, just a gentle tilt. Step 4, manual eject screw method. Unplug everything first. Flip your PS3 upside down. Look for a small rubber cover or hole on the bottom. Remove the cover and you'll see a tiny screw inside. Use a small screwdriver and slowly turn it clockwise. This manually pushes the disk out. Go slow and steady. You'll feel resistance change as the disk starts to come out. Step 5, clean the disk drive rollers. If this keeps happening, dust is likely the issue. Once the disk is out, use compressed air to gently blow into the slot. This helps clear debris that causes sticking. Here's a pro tip. Avoid forcing disks in or out when the console is powered off. Always let the system fully load before inserting or ejecting. Also, keep your PS3 in a well-ventilated area to reduce dust buildup inside the drive. If your disk still won't come out after trying all these steps, the drive motor might be worn out and you may need a repair or replacement. Drop a comment if you get stuck at any step. I'll personally reply within 1 hour and help you out. If this helped, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick fixes like this. You've got this. Let's keep your tech running smooth.